Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Today we are going to practice for class 5th to 10th on song Nacho Nacho from movie RRR. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the first step, we have to raise our hands like this, then bend down and move to the left side and then to the right side. Then kick your leg and do this shuffle step. For the next step, we have to use our left hand first and then right hand and then go back. For the next step, we have to join our hands like this and do the step to left side then to the right side. Now take 2 steps forward and do this step from right hand to right side, then from left hand to left side. Now clap your hand to the both sides and do this throwing step with both hands. For the next step, we have to take the running position like this and do these steps to both the sides and then point finger and do this step from the right hand.
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो बाज जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे पाक टोर छोड़ नाचो मिट्टी जो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे
Then for the next step, we have to jump to left side and then to right side. And now it's turn to the hook step. For the hook step, you have to focus on the legs right now and you have to start the step from the right leg. And must remember, while doing these steps, you have to put your hands to your pockets. You have to repeat these steps for 2 times. And for the next step, we will use our left hand and right leg. And then right hand and left leg. And do these steps 4 times. And repeat all the steps for 2 times.
आजा छोरे
हाजा गोरे
आजा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो.
And for the next step, we have to bend down and move to the left side, then right side, and take regular 2 steps to the left side. And do the same step to the other side as well. For the next step, first we use our right hand, left hand, then right, left, and right, left. Then crisscross your hands and do this step from the right side and then to the left side. Repeat these steps for 2 times. And next step is do from the left side, right side, use your left hand, right hand and left leg. And follow the steps. Now on music. Next, we have to roll both hands to the outside and do these steps from left side and then right side. For the next step, we have to cross our hands and kick from the right leg. Next step, we will start from left leg, then right leg, then left leg. And for the next step, we have to join our legs and hands. And while joining our hands, we have to clap. Next step, we'll start from the right hand. We have to roll our hand from our wrist and then focus on the legs. We will start from the left leg and then right leg, and we'll do both the steps together. Now the same step with both hands, up and down. Again repeat the step of cross hands and kicking the right leg. For the next step, we will use our left leg on heel and right leg on heel. And then we have to sit down like this. Now join the steps. Next step, we'll start from the left leg and we have to repeat the steps for 4 times. Next step is clear the sweat from your forehead and do the same step from the starting. And now it's time to repeat all the hook steps and all the starting steps.
गूंज ढोल ऐसे देखो धन्ना के रोगी नाचे,
शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे, देखो दिल का ये मेला यारा अपने साथ नाचो,
एड़ियों के जोरों पे धूम धड़ाका देसी नाचो,
ओ पसीना माथे का चमके दमके ऐसे नाचो।
बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाजे जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो,
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो,
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे भाग डोर छोड़ नाचो, मिट्टी जो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे
हाँ जा गोरे
हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यारा नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो। ऐसे देखो धन्ना के रोगी नाचे,
शोर सुन लो है धमाका जैसे शेर हाथी नाचे, देखो दिल का ये मेला यारा अपने साथ नाचो,
एड़ियों के जोरों पे धूम धड़ाका देसी नाचो,
ओ पसीना माथे का चमके दमके ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे
हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यारा नाचो 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 आगो वारा राग छेड़ा नाचो 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 उसने चक्का लागे तीखा नाचो।